everyone. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne. Today I'm going to show you how to add a favicon on your WordPress website. Okay, so further ado, let us proceed. I have my icon right here. If you don't know how to make or create a favicon, simply go through my tutorial before this tutorial, and I'll show you how to use how to create a favicon using the designer software called CorelDRAW. You can go ahead and download it at corel.com, and once you download that software, go ahead and create you a favicon. In the tutorial I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now let's go ahead and upload it. Simply go ahead, I had already logged into my website. Go to your dashboard. Now what you do on your dashboard here is go to customize, go to appearance, go to customize, okay, this is a very simple process. Everything is in what I'll be showing you. You can access all these features on WordPress. Once you have the WordPress blog, you can go just follow the steps that I show you, and everything is embedded in WordPress. Everything, the features for uploading your favicon. So what you do is you go to site identity, and from right here it has this special feature where you can upload your favicon. So I'm gonna say change image. Okay, all right, let me upload the image. Go to upload files, select files. All right, from here go to Pac-Man. Okay, you can you can go ahead and put in a caption, a title. This is the title. Put in the caption if you want to. Alt text. Alt text, of course, is for search engines. When search engines find your website, it will list your image in their search engine files for images. You can use a description, whatever. I really don't bother this too much, but I'll say, hey, what the heck? Let's say Pac-Man. It's not gonna automatically ranking the images for Pac-Man, because of course that is so competitive. That's a competitive keyword, so of course it won't rank for that. But anyways, I'm gonna put Pac-Man and then press select. Now after I press select, go ahead and crop the image. Once you crop the image, this is a pretty huge image file, but it's the resolution is great, so it should pop up really nicely on here. So okay, here it goes right here. After you put the image on and you press publish, and that's it. As you can see, the image is right here. Okay, the image is embedded right there. So that is how you add a favicon on your WordPress website. It's embedded right here in the browser tab. So anytime anyone visits your website, okay, it will look just like this. Anybody who has multiple tabs, it's right here. As you can see, it's right here. It has the Pac-Man image right here. So that is how you upload a favicon to your WordPress website so that it can appear in your in the browser tab. Anytime anyone visits your website, they'll find it right here. It differentiates from other websites that they may have pulled up. It identifies it identifies your website with this image. Okay, so thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine. You can visit me at webhostingthrone.com, or simply go to google.com and type in Web Hosting Throne. Thank you all for joining me. Like this page, share it, or simply subscribe if you find me on YouTube. Thank you all for joining me. Find me in the next YouTube tutorial. In the future, I would definitely I will be definitely making more of these tutorials, and I hope you all enjoy. Goodbye.